Hello, I'm Lauren Ansley, corporate event producer, MC, and comedian.
Hi, I'm Chuck Roy, professional comedian and Kennedy Center award-winning instructor of comedy.
Do you ever have to give presentations or have to speak in front of groups as part of your job? Well, Chuck and I are teaming up to present a program designed to help you enhance your presentations with humor. Humor adds a lot of stickiness to your presentation, makes them more memorable, and it makes your audience more engaged and helps to keep their attention. Chuck, why don't you give us an example on what people will learn in the workshop of how they can add more humor to their presentations?
Sure, Lauren. One thing people can learn at this presentation is how to use photos and images to get a laugh. Let's go over to my Comedy101 virtual events center, and I'll try to show you a few examples of what I mean. And here we are, Lauren. We're right at my Comedy101 virtual events center, and I hope you notice that I'm the one who mows the lawn. I get out there with a square and a pair of scissors, and I make sure everything's at 90 degrees and 1 3/4 inches tall. So what we'll do at this highly interactive presentation is we'll do things like brainstorming, silly ways to use things like graphics to engage your audience, and use a little bit of humor. You'll get some tips from my online university. For example, Lauren, we'll learn how to use the old switcheroo. And you'll learn how to use things like historic photos and a little bit of exaggeration in order to get a laugh. Like this example, an actual quote from Marie Curie. She said, "Humor adds chemistry to your PowerPoint." She didn't really say that, Lauren. I think what she said is, my secret for success is to enhance your presentations with humor. Lauren, watch this. People who attend our seminar are going to learn how to engage the audience and get people to arrive early just by using a little bit of humor.
I love all of these tips, Chuck. Thank you so much. Those are hilarious. We'd love to have you all join us for more tips and practical ways you can add humor to your presentations during our interactive workshop.
Right, and just for watching this video all the way to the end, we've got a special promo code for you so you can save $20. Use promo code THANKS20.
Thanks. We'll see you there.
Bye.